All right, guys, example 6, last one in the chain rule. Again, this is the repeated chain rule, meaning that it is tend to be a bit more difficult. The first thing I would like to do is rewrite this as an exponent of a half, so I can use the power rule, okay? So y prime equals, I'm going to drop down my power of a half, then that's going to be tangent of 5x to a negative half power. But remember, we still have to do the derivative of the inner, which is now tangent of 5x. Then from here, we are going to say, okay, well, 1 over 2, I want to make this a positive power, so move it to the bottom just like that. Now, the derivative of tangent is going to be secant square of 5x, and again, we need to do the derivative of that inner, and that inner is going to be 5x. So that's why we have to do, this is why it's called repeated chain rule, right? We're doing it a couple of times. So 1 over 2, if you want to write the power of a half as a square root, I'm okay with that. You can leave it as a power of half, whichever way you feel more comfortable with. Then on the numerator, I have secant square of 5x, and the derivative of 5x is just now going to be 5. I'm just going to put that in the front and move that to the numerator. So 5 times secant square of 5x all over 2 times the square root of tangent 5x. And I think that's as far as we can go because of the square root. There's not much we can do with that component. All right, and that's it. Box it up.